Hey, so when you get the POCO X6 Pro, in the box, you will actually get this silicone case. And if you wonder about the quality of this case, it's actually made out of the silicone. It's actually the flexible silicone, but there's like two cool features. So first of all, you've got the two bumpers on the back. Let me just catch focus on it. There we go. So right here and right here. And when you put it on your phone, just like this, and when you put it on any surface, like flat surface, you will not scratch your display or, for example, the cameras, thanks to these bumpers. As you can see, the bumpers goes above the lenses and the same above the screen on the corners. So that's really nice. It's soft. When you touch it, there's like soft feeling. The buttons works without any problems. The volume buttons, the power button also. We got good access into the USB-C port, and also we got the cutouts for the speakers, microphones. It looks like there's the IR blaster. Yeah, there's the IR blaster on this phone. But if you want to input the SIM card, you will have to actually take it off, and you will be able to install the SIM cards. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.